Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a Raspberry Pi computer by following some very simple steps. For that purpose, I have a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B here, a power adapter, a wireless mouse, mini keyboard, and 8 GB memory card. So let me quick unbox all of these things. So guys, this is our Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. It has 1.2 GHz 64-bit quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM and 400 MHz GPU. At the right side, there are 4 2.0 USB ports, Ethernet connector. Here is audio-video connector. You can connect your camera here. And this is HDMI connector, power connector, and you can connect a small LCD display here, and these are 40 GPIOs. At the back of the computer, here is a microSD card slot. This is our wireless mouse, and a really good thing about this mouse is that it can run up to 9 months with a single 1.5 volt battery. This is mini wireless keyboard. Here is a rechargeable battery. You can use this keyboard for many days with a single charge. This is RGB LED backlit keyboard with a small touchpad. You can change the color and intensity of light by pressing the function key and scrolling your finger on touchpad. This is power adapter for our Raspberry Pi. The output of this adapter is 5 volt and 3 amperes. Now go to the download section of official Raspberry Pi website and download knobs. It is very easy to use for beginners. After downloading, extract all these files to your memory card. After copying files to the memory card, insert it into the card slot of Raspberry Pi. Now connect it with a display monitor using HDMI, then connect Ethernet cable, mouse and keyboard, and after that connect it with the power supply. Now select Raspbian operating system and install it. It can take up to 1 hour to complete. So guys, our Raspberry Pi computer is now ready. We can surf internet, we can watch HD videos, we can play games, we can edit and create text files, documents and presentations, and many other stuff like that. And the really cool thing about this computer is that we can do the next level programming directly through it and create some cool projects. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you will like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.